The soul of Suwannee isn't just a feeling, it's embodied in nature. It's found in unfiltered perfection, where beauty abounds in its most simplistic form. Experience it in the abundance of towering trees and lush flora that awakens the quieted peace of your body. Touch it in the gemstone-colored springs that tingle your senses and restores vitality. Explore it in flourishing underwater caves that spark curiosity and a sense of wonder. Absorb it in the fresh air and starry nights that enlighten your mind with clarity. There's no fluff, no crowds, and no lines, just you and beautiful, unfiltered nature, with maybe a few surprises along the way. Come discover the life you never knew you were missing in Suwannee County, Florida. Learn more at www.visitsuwannee.com.